Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 6th July 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. The NSE index opened higher and traded with a positive bias for most of the trading session to end the day in the green. Nifty gained 159.50 points or 0.66% to close at 24,430.35. The gains seen today were mostly due to muted crude oil prices due to OPEC, plus looking to increase production in August and FYI buying seen on Friday. Most sectors ended in the green with Realty, consumer durables and auto emerging as the best performing sectors. PSU Banks and Media witnessed the highest correction. Volatility witnessed a very mild uptick. Following today's upward move, levels need to be readjusted with supports now being at 24,385, followed by 23,265, while resistances will be at 24,480, followed by 24,600. For tomorrow, we may expect the index to consolidate within a range with a slight positive bias, as today's momentum is carried over. A correction due to Nifty weekly expiry may not be ruled out for now, so external cues will provide further clarity. Traders may go with a contrarian bet with negative momentum in KOSPI and Nikkei translating to positive momentum for Nifty and vice versa. Nifty may become more bullish above 24,480, while bearish sentiment may dominate if it corrects below 23,400. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex 2 saw gains of around 0.67% or approximately 521 points to close at approximately 78,285. Since the BSE index traded within a range, levels may be kept the same with supports remaining at 77,750, followed by 77,210, while resistances will be at 78,385 followed by 78,950. Sensex may be expected to be bullish above 78,385, while bearish sentiment may take over if it falls below 75,790. Now we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil has been trading sideways today as well with a slightly wider range of moves at similar levels as Friday's close. OPEC plus statement, which emphasized increased production for August, will act as a drag for the commodity. Volatility for crude oil has moved up slightly. Levels for crude oil may be kept the same as well, with supports remaining at 6,520, followed by 6,425, while resistances may be placed at 6,640, followed by 6,735. For today, crude oil may be expected to trade sideways with a negative bias. The negative bias may be attributed to increased production by OPEC Plus in August, along with relative peace in the Middle East over the past couple weeks. Traders may choose to trade between levels, and a sell on the rise approach near resistance may work out. If crude oil recovers above 7,000, further bullish moves may be witnessed. However, a break below 6,140 may lead to lower levels. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Ather Energy is reportedly planning to raise around $200 million through a qualified institutional placement as early as next week. The funds will be used to expand manufacturing capacity, strengthen its retail network, and accelerate the development of new electric vehicle models. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals has launched the generic version of Olanzapine for injection in the US, a drug used to treat schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. The launch strengthens the company's US generics portfolio and expands its presence in the high-value pharmaceutical market. Ashok Leyland has partnered with Rosmerta Recycling to strengthen its commercial vehicle scrappage ecosystem across India. The initiative supports the government's vehicle modernization program by promoting the replacement of older, polluting vehicles with cleaner and more efficient commercial vehicles. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinars will be conducted on Friday and over the weekend. On Friday at 3:15 p.m., Mr. Sanjay Ji will be conducting a webinar on the topic EMA Scalping Masterclass Strategy. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Decode Nifty and Bank Nifty every morning. The first 30-minute strategy for consistent high-probability trades. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta we'll conduct a webinar on the topic Master Option Greek Strategies. Trade smarter with Delta, plus Theta, plus Vega, plus Gamma. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.